Okay, so here's a little something I made for my son to help him learn how to read as he discover new words. He's 3.5 now and is discovering new words every day in his nursery. And I'm just trying to make the process a little bit more fun by making this device here. Uh, so what this thing does is it reads out words and for example I have the letter AT there, and if I press this yellow button here, it will read out at. It's hooked up to a speaker here, and it's running on Raspberry Pi and Arduino and inside this box, and we can adjust the speed of pronunciation.
Speech rate adjusted to 190.
And even slower.
Speech rate adjusted to 47.
Okay, that's the slowest it gets. Okay. Hey, and then I have already loaded a list of words, and I would then uh, uh, with my son, I would say something like, "Hey, you put A and T together, and then you read that as at, right? Uh, what if you add some more letter in front of it, like for example, B? How would you read that? How does B sound like? B is B, right? B, B. So B at bat. So B at bat. So and then he can check whether it's correct or not, by pressing this yellow button here. Okay, bat, and then I would then go on to the next word. And how about C? C is k, at cat. Okay. And then go to the next word. Fat, mat, pat, sat, and so on. So yeah, hopefully this makes learning words, learning how to read a little bit more fun for him. And it's built with 90% uh, the same stuff with chorus text. Chorus text is another project that I'm working on, which is an assistive device. Uh, the ultimate goal is to make text editing uh, touch and hearing based instead of visual based. Uh, okay, and so we can put in a list of words via a web interface. So the Raspberry Pi is running a web application, and we can access it by going to the address from another device, like from a netbook or from a tablet or smartphone. And then we just go to the address, select import, and let's just type in the words that we want to put in. For example, this is kind of hard because I have to uh, hang on, type while holding the camera at the same time. Uh, okay, so for example, 3 words, and then hit on import.
New text is available.
And it'll say new text is available, and I can scroll through the words immediately. So bin, bin, tin, skin, and so on. And this device also supports Bahasa Indonesia in addition to English. And okay, the text to speech for Bahasa Indonesia is still pretty funny sounding. I'm still working on that to improve it. But it does support Indonesian words. Like, for example, it will just read out the text as per the rules of reading text in Indonesian. Um, so, for example, let's type in some Indonesian words like makan, mau.
Ada teks baru.
Okay, this says that there's a new text, ada teks baru, and let's go through it. Makan,
Makan. Mau.
mau,
Mau.
mau,
Makan.
makan. Okay, so that's that. And if you look at it, there's a wide area here. So I plan to in future place the letters, the alphabets here. So buttons A to Z and then 0 to 9. So and in future, my son will be able to type in words and then check out how that word is read, how that word is pronounced by pressing the yellow button there. And this one is for backspace, and this one is for clear, to clear the whole line. And I have the up, down, left, right. Left, right, I probably use for menu navigation, and then two action buttons, white and black. This would be for activating menu items and stuff. And yeah, because yeah, I've been using it with my son for few times, and he's engaged, but he just go berserk and want to touch and twist and do everything at the same time. But I have to pace him and uh, really stress to him that you really gotta uh, uh, do it one at a time, and only a few buttons are working right now. And he, 3.5 year old, probably he got interested very quickly, but also very quickly got disinterested. Probably is a little bit boring. So maybe in future I'll add some sound effects or something when he press this button, random sound effects. So it's not so boring for him. Um, it's not that he doesn't want to press it. He wants to, but if you go through a list of like 10 words or something, by the time you reach like the sixth or seventh word, he start to look around, do other things, and just gotta get him to focus. And yeah, maybe if it does more like flash some LEDs or play some random sound effects, then probably he would be I'll be able to keep his interest on for like 10 words or something. You would think that 10 words is very little for for a 3.5 year old, right? But well, no. Okay, so that's that. Thanks for watching.